Are you standing at crossroad of your academic future, feeling a mix of anticipation and uncertainty? Choosing the right degree college is a pivotal milestone in your journey. Confused about which degree college to choose? Admission are now officially open at KVRR DCW, and today we aren't just reading brochures, we are actually stepping inside the experience, the reality of campus life. So we went inside to see what it's really like from nervous freshers to seniors walking out of their final exams. This is the full journey. If you are deciding where to spend the next 3 years of your life, then you need to say this.
In the quiet stillness of these classrooms begins a journey of knowledge, ambition, and endless possibilities. Here, ideas are not just taught, they are inspired. Our distinguished faculty nurture curiosity, encourage critical thinking, and shape the leaders of tomorrow. In our botany lab, students explore the living world. The microbiology lab unveils the unseen. Here, learning is not just confined to theories. We believe practical experience builds confidence, skill, and excellence. Microscopic organisms reveal the complexities of life. In chemistry lab, precision meets discovery. Experiments that transform concepts into reality. The biomedical science lab bridges science and healthcare. In nutrition lab, science meets wellness, shaping knowledge that promotes healthier lives. And in computer science lab, innovation takes form, where technology, logic, and creativity drive the future.
Welcome to the KVRR DCW library. It's not just a room full of books, it's literally your focus sanctuary. Whether you need reference books for that research process, access to digital archives, or just a stable Wi Fi connection that doesn't drop during your seminar, this is it. The unwritten rules here is simple: respect the focus, keep it quiet, keep it clean, and keep the study energy high. The administrative block is buzzing with vibrant energy today. It's a hive of activity where future meets with opportunity. What drew you to KVRR DCW?
I was looking for a balance between academic rigor and a supportive environment. I came across this college and I got to know that the faculty here is renowned, and I'm eager to be here. To become confident, I chose KVRRDC, and I'm hoping this place helps because I'm shy.
Thank you. So, what are your primary expectations for the time you're here?
Well, I could say some good faculty and some time fest too. I heard KVRRDCW is well known for its fest like cultural fest, food fest and traditional days. I would love to enjoy it.
Thank you. Ma'am, could you clarify what are the courses currently available for incoming students in our college?
We have 3 courses are there, ma. First one is BSc Life Science, and second one BSc Physical Science and BCom. Okay, these courses are 3 na. This may so many combinations are there. First BSc Biomedical Science is there, There is 4 years course, and next BSc Life Science. So many combinations are there. Microbiology, biotechnology, chemistry, BJC, microbiology, zoology, chemistry, applied nutrition, zoology, chemistry, applied nutrition, microbiology, and zoology combinations are there. And physical science, 3 combinations are there. On first one, artificial intelligent machine learning, stats, maths, AK, or next to maths, stats, computer science, maths, physics, computer science. Become finance and become computer applications are there in our college.
Ma'am, can you give a smooth guidance for the admission process for our incoming students?
श्योर। देखो अम्मा, कुछ लोगों को दोस्त के बारे में पता नहीं चलता आजकल के स्टूडेंट्स को, तो उन लोग समझ रहे डायरेक्ट आके एडमिशन लेना बोल के, ऐसा समझ रहे, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता। दोस्त बोल के एक वेबसाइट है, डिग्री ऑनलाइन सर्विस तेलंगाना। पहले स्टूडेंट्स वहाँ पे दोस्त मीन्स मी सेवा को जाना, मी सेवा को जाके उन लोग रजिस्ट्रेशन कर लेना पहले। उसके बाद दोस्त में उन लोग रजिस्टर होने के बाद उन लोगों को कोर्स और किस कोर्स में पढ़ना, कौन से कॉलेज में पढ़ना बोल के उन लोगों को सिलेक्शन करने का रहता। वो डेट्स रहते, दोस्त ऐसा ऐसा डेट्स रखते, वो डेट्स आप लोगों को नोटिफिकेशन में आ जाता, वो देख लेना पहले स्टूडेंट्स। रजिस्ट्रेशन का एक डेट रहता, वेब ऑप्शन बोले तो कौन से कॉलेज पढ़ना, कौन से कोर्स पढ़ना बोल के वेब ऑप्शन बोलते हैं उसको। वेब ऑप्शन का भी एक टाइम रहता, ये डेट से ये डेट तक करना बोल के। उसके बाद दोस्त थोड़ा टाइम लेके दोस्त का वो मतलब रिज़ल्ट रिलीज़ कर दे, लेकिन कौन से कॉलेज में आया, कौन से ग्रुप में आया बोल के बच्चों को एक मैसेज आता। वो मैसेज आते ही फिर से दोस्त को मतलब उन लोग ऑनलाइन जाके सेल्फ रिपोर्टिंग करना ऑनलाइन वो कॉलेज का। सेल्फ रिपोर्टिंग करने के बाद उन लोग ना सेल्फ रिपोर्टिंग में थोड़ा अमाउंट पे करते, सीट कंफर्म करते उन लोग। कंफर्म करके वो सेल्फ रिपोर्टिंग करके वो पूरे डॉक्यूमेंट्स लेके कॉलेज को आते। कॉलेज को आने के बाद उन लोग बोलते हैं ऐसा ऐसा हमको मैसेज आया ऐसा कॉलेज से बोल के उन लोग स्टूडेंट्स आते। हम लोग उन लोगों का वो पूरे डॉक्यूमेंट्स लेके ओरिजिनल्स लेते, हम लोग एक सेट ज़ेरॉक्स कॉपी भी लेते। उसके बाद एडमिशन प्रोसेस शुरू होता उन लोगों के लिए। देखो मत दोस्त में स्टेप्स रहते, मतलब फेसेस रहते, फर्स्ट फेज़, सेकंड फेज़, थर्ड फेज़, फोर्थ फेज़ बोल के एक स्पेशल ड्राइव भी रखते। उसके बाद लास्ट में स्पॉट आता। स्पॉट मीन्स स्पॉट में जो लोग आते पहले नीट एमसेट ऐसा वो लेवल पे जाते ना बच्चियाँ, वहाँ पे उन लोगों को अच्छा रैंक नहीं आए तो फिर बाद में लास्ट में आते। उन लोगों के लिए दोस्त स्पॉट बोल के एक फेस रखते, उसमें उन लोग मैनेजमेंट सीट बोल के ऐसे आते, उसमें हम लोग उन लोगों को सीट देते।
Ma'am, can you please guide us with the scholarship process for our viewers?
स्कॉलरशिप हमारे पास एक्सेप्टेड है, वो अप्लाई कर ले सकते, बट अपने कॉलेज फीस से उसको कुछ भी कर सकते नहीं रहती। स्कॉलरशिप जो अप्लाई करना है एलिजिबल फॉर ओनली प्राइवेट एम्प्लॉइज़, ठीक है। अभी गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर डिपेंड रहता, जो मनी आता नहीं आता हमारे को कुछ भी कंसल्ट नहीं रहती, गवर्नमेंट डिपेंड्स रहता। और आने के बाद हम लोग स्टूडेंट अकाउंट्स में ट्रांसफ़र कर देते।
Ma'am, what are the documents required for scholarship?
स्कॉलरशिप अप्लाई करना हो तो मेन इंपॉर्टेंट इनकम सर्टिफिकेट एंड कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट रहना और प्लस कॉलेज बोनाफाइड एंड बाकी के पूरे एसएससी एंड इंटर के डॉक्यूमेंट्स कंपलसरी अपलोड करना है मी सेवा में जाके, बाद में कॉलेज में सबमिट करना है।
Sir, can you please give a short message for our incoming students?
Sure. Thank you and good morning, all of you. Education is not limited within the classroom. Education needs a holistic development. You need to upgrade your skills through library, lab, and other student oriented activities. Choose KVRR DCW, join our college, and embark on your journey. Welcome to KV Rangareddy College. Thank you.
Ma'am, what is the core philosophy that differentiates KVRR DCW from other colleges?
Our motto is excellence in academics, discipline, and punctuality. These three are the major roles for our students and staff to run the college in a peaceful way. And not only that, we will encourage all the students to participate in all different club activities, seminars to reach their goals. And we are giving knowledge to them not only in academical wise and what are their social responsibility, how they will behave with others, how they will reach their goals. All in all the ways we will give motivation and encouragement training to them. That is a very special characteristic feature of our KV Rangareddy Degree College. And all the students from here, they will reach their goals. They will take not only academics, discipline, and how they should reach their goals. All these things they will carry with them.
Ma'am, what would you suggest for our incoming students?
Definitely, I would say that this is a great place to study, and you have everything here. You have extracurricular activities, you have co-curricular activities. Academics are excellent, results are great, and it is a place to study, my dear girls. It's a green campus. You'll enjoy a lot studying here. And signing off, Dr. Gracie, Director, HR and Academics.
Thank you so much. Let's have a quick fire of questions to our students. Looking back at your tenure, what has the experience truly been like?
My advice, don't just attend classes, participate in everything. The confidence you build here is what the professional world.
Could you give a preview of your experience in this college?
First year I was terrified of speaking in classes. Now I am doing seminars. That's a change. Faculty know us by names, and if you get stuck somewhere, they actually step in to help.
Are you confident for your future?
Yes, placement cell already got few companies in BCom and BSc, and I am preparing for it.
Seems like you have grabbed an opportunity. That's cool. From the nervous, where's the admission from, to the confident, I'm ready for placements. This is the journey of KVRR DCW. It's not just classrooms and exams, it's the friends you make at 9 a.m., the faculty that stays back to clear doubts, the canteen samosas after tough lectures. From the first day of admission to the final moments of your exams, this is the trajectory at KVRR DCW. We have shown you the culture, the commitment and the community. The only question left is, are you ready to start your own story? This is not just a college, it's a journey from 9:30 to 3:30 that you will remember. We wish you the luck for your future plans.